Hi, it's me.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello, it's me, I'm alive. In today's video, I'm gonna rehouse my baby tarantula. And my tarantula will be 1 year old and is gonna get a new house. So if you don't like spiders or have arachnophobia, then skip this video. But don't forget to like it. Hello, it's me, and it's my GBB. Today we're gonna do a rehouse of my baby, which I got as a gift from my colleague, and this is 1 year later. I will post the link in the video, in a corner on the video and in the description below. The first enclosure I did it for this baby, 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. It's gonna go to a much bigger one, twice the size. So this is what it's gonna look like. I already have some isopods, plenty of isopods, and oh. And that was my boyfriend. So this is the enclosure, and so let's see what we can do. First we want to prepare. Do you want your thingy things?
First we want a big box.
Big box. Big box, yeah. Yeah, the catch cup. So let me get some dry substrate in here. Let me see, because I will make a barrel, but I don't know if it will use or not. If it will, fine. If it's not, even better. But it is a terrestrial tarantula, so I am giving, I think it's a her. This will be very good anchor point, this cork bark, and I will have this little bamboo stick here, you know, so it will. Jag behöver bara en riktig ketchup, en sån här som. So the trick is to get him out without him escaping. Or kind of manipulate him and open here and in here. I may be poking up. Come on. Oh, I think this is gonna be good. Or no, come. Come. You're so close to do the right thing. Da-da-da. Yes, guys, we did it. You know, this bark, it's for anchoring. Oh, and food. So, of course, anchoring points. I think he will, or she will do a nice burrow. Oh yeah, a little bit of wood. this is gonna be nice, I think. Yeah, so I will wash and oh look, more food. More food. I will wash this and bake. And bake, so we can reuse it, right? Hello. This is how it will look. It's filled with heights and anchoring points and things, right? Right, boyfriend?
Mm. What's the
So you can hold this one here. Good. Yeah, good boy. Good, let it go. Let it go. Oh, but he's not even wanna bite. No threat posture, no anything. Good. Good. Holding with one foot. Let it go. Let it go. Yes, good. Good. Let it go. You too. Let it go, let it go. Oh, yeah. Try to adjust the lights. Oh. Yeah. I don't want to stress it anymore. We are all okay. Oh yeah, that looked good. So guys, thank you so much for watching and being patient with me. And here is my green bottle blue. It is really pretty and it went really smooth, so we will see how this will develop with all the heights and I know everything. Thank you so much for watching and I see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
What? Where is this button? No? No? What?